Right? Okay.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2. Go ahead, you can cut it, Senator.
Cut it now?
Yeah, cut it now. Go ahead. All right.
Are we going now?
Oh, we gotta open that door first, but yes, we're ready to get shot.
Well, you know, it was extremely important in an area that is long known and well known for being a food desert. You know, to have a retailer like this, a quality retailer at low prices that comes in and offers good product. There's a produce section, for instance, here at the Aldi. So extremely important for this community.
Obviously, the community knew that this was happening because we had a line right out the door here this morning. Yeah, all right.
Well, this has been, I mean, just so you know, there's been a tremendous amount of community engagement in this particular development. Aldi's has worked very closely with the 17th Ward Alderman's office, Alderman Latasha Thomas. They hired the general contractor that actually constructed this whole development is a local African-American contractor, you know, nearly a $5 million project. And so there was a lot of community engagement. My Community Development Corporation acted as a marketing arm, so to speak. We had a large festival in which all these had banners and sponsored so that the community would know that this Aldi's was coming.
All right. And then looking ahead, what other projects is your corporation working on right now? What are you, especially with the economy being the way that it is, I'm sure that you're, you know, having to work extra hard just to be able to bring stuff in. What are you guys working on right now?
Very much so. Kind of a multi-tiered approach, more commercial retail development. In fact, our commercial stretches, Ashland, 79th Street as well, are areas that we're focusing to bring the types of upscale, well, when I say upscale, the types of retailers that aren't the usual suspects. I mean, we don't need any more of the dollar stores and the fish and chicken, fried chicken shops and drugstore, liquor stores and the like. So we're working to really recruit some better quality retail opportunities. In addition, we're working on a transportation initiative in which we're trying to get a transit-oriented development project built at 79th and Fielding with Metro and the CTA is a key part of that. And then also a lot of work around green initiatives here in the community, recycling efforts. We do door-to-door recycling. And then lastly that I'll mention is a strong project on the digital divide, trying to get internet connectivity low cost to free in this community.
All right. And then finally, what's kind of the state of housing right now, and what types of projects are you working on in terms of that, either for people who own homes and are trying to hold on to them, or people who are looking for affordable housing?
A lot of resources are going toward trying to stabilize this foreclosure ship. We're still experiencing a lot of board ups in our communities, foreclosed homes. We're doing a lot of outreach. We're trying to get to residents before they enter into this whole spiraling world of foreclosure. So we have an outreach team. We work with neighborhood housing services, who also provides foreclosure counseling and access to affordable housing units. And we're working with the Neighborhood Stabilization Project, in which neighborhood developers are acquiring these foreclosed homes, renovating them, and making them available again for home buyers.
And one more thing, and I'll let you go. There was another event actually scheduled for today that had to be postponed, unfortunately. But there is a new health service that's going to be opening up. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah. We, the GADC, in a partnership, the GADC is my organization, in a partnership with Center for Working Families, with Perspective Charter School and Access Community Health Networks, we built a school-based health center, a 3,000 square foot health center inside of Calumet High School. We were to have the grand opening today, a beautiful brand new health center. In an effort to bring wraparound services to families whose kids go to school in communities like Auburn Gresham. This is called the Elevate program, and Elevate is an initiative funded by Atlantic Philanthropies and YoChicago to bring resources to provide better health services, better improved education opportunities, and improved social service, all wrapped up in one.